Hello guys and welcome back. My name is Kazem Moridi, and in this video I'm planning to talk about the interfaces in the Dart language. What exactly is interfaces? Sometimes we want to implement some stuff in our class and we can use it in interfaces. We learned how to use abstract class in the last video, but in this video I'm planning to learn another type, which is interface. Interfaces and abstract code are very similar and have a lot of similarities in each of them. And in this video, I'm planning to learn how to use interfaces. We do not have any keyboard like interface in the Dart language, but we have something. We use classes and abstract classes in order to use interfaces. So let's go ahead and do it in the real code. I'm going to create a class called abstract class. For example, laptop. Okay, this class has two um, methods. One of them is turn on, and another one is turn down. Okay, so I won't create body for them because it's an interface. We should not try to um, create body for classes, but you can do that. It's possible, as you see, it's possible to create a body for these classes, but we do not need to do it in this part. And I'm going to implement this in another class. For example, we have a class called MacBook, which implements. So if I want to use interface in our code, we need to use the keyword implements laptop. If I do this, you will see that would be a red mark under the MacBook. And because I think it's because my internet connection, let me refresh the page. After I refresh my page, you will see that there is a red mark under MacBook. If I hover my voice over it, you will see that missing concrete implementation of laptop.turndown and laptop.turnon. It means that we need to override this method in our code in order to fix this problem. And I'm going to do that. First, I'm going to override annotation for the method that I want, and then void turn on for this part, and then void turn down. And I'm going to open the parentheses. Then I'm going to implement some stuff in this. For example, turn on. Okay, and then semicolon at the end of it. And I'm going to do the same stuff for turn down. And as you see, the problem after I do this, you will see that the red mark under this part has been gone. And that's it. That's for interfaces. And we can just simply make this possible. For example, I'm going to instantiate this class. If I want to instantiate the laptop, you will see that laptop is an abstract class and it cannot be instantiated. We must only instantiate the classes. And if you take a look at it, you'll see that there has no problem. And I can simply do a lot of stuff with this laptop class. For example, turn down or turn on this laptop. And if I run this code, you will see that in the console, turn on will be printed over the console. And that's it. There's nothing a lot of difference between the turn interfaces and abstract classes. The only difference is that you need to use implements the the interfaces directly to the class, and you must override all the method that is not actually have body in the abstract class. And that's it. And that's it for interfaces. If you like my videos, please consider leaving a like, or even if you encounter a problem, please consider um, leaving a comment under this video, or even uh, send me an PM or email in the and in my account that I would put down in the video description. And thank you for watching, and happy coding.